This video explains about standard e-invoice in AutoCount Accounting 2.2. Now I will show the how to create a new invoice and approve the invoice. First, go to Sales, Invoice. Click on New. For example, my debtor will bill to AutoCount SDN BHD. Then I will bill them 10 keyboard. If you set already at item maintenance, the classification will automatic appear. If you want to predefined, also can. After, click on Approve. Then, the e-invoice's status will show to pending. The e-invoice's status will change to submitted after a few seconds. Then, the e-invoice's status will show valid once get validation from LHDN. Then you can click on Preview. Select Invoice, Malaysia e-invoice. Then you can see the LHDN validated link. You can scan or click the QR code, go to the My Invoice portal to see the detail. And that's all for standard e-invoice in AutoCount version 2.2. By following these steps, you're ready to manage e-invoices efficiently and create the invoice properly. For more tips, like, share, and subscribe. Need more info? Scan the QR code to join our community group. If you want to buy our product, you can contact 0162013628 for inquiries. If you want to ask question about the system, you can contact 010-380-3628 for support team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.